Now let me share the screen. Okay, this page we will solve today, huh? In your book, page number 80, you can open the book, but the fact is you are not going to solve the sum in book. You have to solve the sums in copy, okay? You can open the book. Basically, you have to open the book, okay? Because the questions are there. I will read, okay, and you have to do it. So that's why open the book also, but don't do in book, okay? बुक में मत करना, कॉपी पे करना, ठीक है? बट ओपन बोथ द थिंग्स, बुक एंड कॉपी. Okay, now let me read the first question, okay? Sorry. Okay, what is in the first question? The first question is given. I'll explain one by one, okay? Pinky has 3, though it has been done for you in your book, it is already done, but you have to do in the copy. Pinky has 3 baskets, each containing 25 apples. Find the total number of apples. What will be, how to do? Look at this. Pinky has how many baskets? 3 baskets. And each means 1. Means all the 3 baskets. Suppose 3 baskets are there. So in 1, there are 25 apples. Okay. Apples, how many apples? 25 in 1. In the second one also, there are 25 apples. Understood? In the third one also 25. Each means in each of these 3. Okay. So in each basket, there are 25 apples. Here 25 apples. Here also in the second basket also 25 apples. In the third one also 25 apples. So total number of apples is what? Basically, by normal process, we can add this 3, but it will not be an easy process, right? As we have already learned the process about multiplication, then we can apply that rule. Look, each basket carrying 25 apples. So in 3 basket multiplied by 3. Is it clear to all of you? If it is clear, then you can shake your head. Okay. Now let me show you the answer. All of you are able to see the answer. Write the statement properly, okay? Just normal multiplication will not be done there. In your copy, you have to do and write the statement properly. All of you are able to see the screen. Complete this one. Only this one, huh? Only this one. In your copy, put page number 80 also. Okay. And put the date also. Yes. 29th of July, put the date also. Okay. The first one, look what I have written over there. There are 25 apples in each basket. Okay. And total number of basket is what? That is 3. Hence, 25 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 75. So, hence, total number of apples is equal to 75. You can write the statement by your own, no issue. But be careful, that must be correct. Huh? Complete question number 1 first. complete it fast. Ankon Patra completed. Shoptarshi, complete it fast. Acha, don't write from the second one. Okay, at first I'll make you understand, then you will write only. First complete the first one. I am giving you 2 minutes. Okay, within this 2 minutes, complete it. Quite all of you. The second one, what is given? In a class, there are 35 students. Total number of students, 35. Each student was given 2 notebooks. How many students are there? 35. Okay. And each student means one student each of them given 2 notebooks. If you were given 2 notebooks, I have given 2 books to all of you. Okay. That means to each of you. Okay. Then total how many notebooks I have to buy so that I can give to all of you in such a way so that I can give you I can give each of you 2 notebooks. Suppose 5 students are there and I am giving 2 notebooks to each of you. Then that means 5 into 2, I have to buy 10. The same thing, suppose 10 students are there. 10 are getting 2 notebooks, okay, for each one, each and every one. So 10 to the 20. The same thing we have to do. 35 students are there. So 35 into 2. This will be the answer. Is it clear to all of you? Yes or no? Suppose it will be more clear. Suppose I am giving Alvi 2 chocolate. I am giving to Pushpak 2 chocolates. Okay. I am giving to Lamia, Vigan, all of you. In this way, I am giving to 35 students. So total number of chocolates, what will be? 2, 35s are getting 2, 2, 2 in such way. So that means 35 into 2. Understood? Is this clear to all of you? Okay. Anubhav, understood too? Acha, now I'll show you the answer. Huh? Now let me explain the third one. Rohini can make 5 pastries in one day. Okay. Suppose Sholanki. Okay. Sholanki can make 5 pastries in one day. Okay. So in one day, she can make how many pastries? 5. Acha. So how many pastries will she make in 3 days? Suppose 1 day 5 pastries. Then 2 days, definitely double of it. 10. Then in 3 days, another 5, extra 5. So it will be 15. But the easy way is multiplication. Suppose in 1 day 5 pastries. So in 3 days, 5 multiplied by 3. That will be 15. Is it clear to all of you? Shanvi, Shuhana, Sholanki, Shuprit. Clear? Okay. Pushpak, understood? Okay, now let me share the solution for the second and third one. Okay, this one. Write the answer. The second one and the third one. Okay, not the fourth and fifth one. Okay, when I'll explain only that time you will Only at that moment he will write this. At first complete up to 3. Sorry. The second one, it is given there are 35 students in a class. It is 35, huh? There are 35 students in a class. Each student was given how many notebooks? 2 notebooks. So total number of notebook, that is equal to this multiplied by this. Put the multiplication sign, huh? That is the answer is 70. Complete the second one first. Ishan? Done the second one? Okay, third one? No, acha, do the third one, huh? Complete this first. Okay, there are 5 students in a class. Okay, each student was given 2 notebooks. So total number of notebooks. Okay, now let me read the solution of third one. Panic done. Okay. Now the third one, in one day Rohini can make 5 pastries. So just I have written the simple statement. In one day Rohini can make 5 pastries. Okay. The last word is pastries. So in 3 days, this one is 3 days, huh? In 3 days. In 3 days, she can make this into this is equal to 15 pastries. Complete this one. This one is in 3 days, huh? 3 days. I am waiting for 3 minutes, okay? Okay. So what is given in question number 4? Shikha plays for 2 hours every day. That means in each and every day, that means one day she plays for 2 hours, okay? In each of the day. Now, for how many hours will she play in 12 days? So if he plays in each day or in one day for 2 hours, then for 12 days, how many hours she will play? For how many hours? definitely multiplied by this 12. 12 into 2. Okay, these hours. Is it clear to all of you? You can shake your head. Acha, okay. Okay, now the next one. Look, let me explain the fourth one. Jacob writes 5 pages in a day. That means in one day, he writes how many pages? 5 pages. Okay. Suppose in your copy, okay, you are writing 5 pages in one day. Okay. Suppose on Sunday, you are writing 5 pages. And the same thing is going on. On Monday, another 5 pages. On Tuesday, another 5 pages. Okay, this one. Now, how many pages will be written in 30 days? So, one day 5 pages. 30 days means more or less? Definitely more days. So 5 into 30. Is this clear to all of you? Avigyan, Lamia, Pushpak, okay. Who have not understood? Shuhana, clear? Acha, okay. So just we have to multiply it, okay? Fourth one, fifth one. Now the sixth one. In a school, there are 3 sections. 3 sections, okay? Suppose section A,